in our business, it's up to you if you want to complicate it. Perfectionist kasi ako, Sir John. Well, that will be the problem. You have to learn to give up. Because now you are transitioning to an entrepreneur, you have to learn to give up. Meron po ba rito mga magulang, yung naglinis ka ng bahay, tapos pinalinis mo sa anak mo. Dahil perfectionist ka, inilinis mo uli. Meron po ba rito gano'n naka-experience or something similar? Nagpautos ka, nagpahugas ka ng pinggan, hindi maayos, inulit mo na naman. So nasayang na ang oras mo, nasayang pa yung oras ng anak mo. Because you cannot give it up. Learn to give it up. Again, I know, you're still learning this, pero I'm teaching you what I've been through. Because remember, in my business, ako rin po nagsimula. Until I start to hire a freelancer, until I learn, wait, John, madidelay lang lahat ng project if you do not learn to let it go. Now, meron na po akong 6 people under me. They all work from home. Before pang maging ACQ, sanay na kaming lahat work from home. Initially, when I first hired my freelancer, ganyan din po ko. But then, ako yung nagiging bottleneck ng negosyo eh. Alam po ninyo yung bottleneck, di ba? Parang sa traffic, di ba? Mabilis naman eh. May construction. So yung dating 4-way or 4 lanes, magiging isang lane. Bottleneck. In most businesses, constraint. That's right, theory of constraints. In most cases, the entrepreneur is the bottleneck. So you have to let it go. Kahit hindi ka masaya sa graphics, ako minsan sa cover daw masaya, sa website ko daw masaya, but you have to learn to give it up. It is for your own good. Because otherwise, your business won't grow. I won't be able to grow my business. Imagine po kung ako lahat ng gumagawa. No. Because kung ako lahat ng gagawa nun, malamang, hindi po lalago ang ating community. So I need help. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.